The morning report for the 8th of January 2010. There's lots of interesting news coming out. We heard from Gerry Harvey, billionaire chairman of Harvey Norman, come out saying that Australia's heading for the next big boom. Out of the US, we saw easing concerns over real estate losses. Gains in retail sales boosted confidence that the economy in the US is recovering and the recovery will be sustainable. Now, this is obviously positive news in our economy as well. If we start seeing sustainable recovery in retail spending, that's probably a good idea that the economy is moving forward. Now, don't forget, there's been a big stimulus package pumped into the US and Australia, as well as China and a number of other countries over the last 12 months. So these retail increases in sales could possibly be a cause from the stimulus package. Now, as governments start to wind this back, we need to be aware of how this will affect our marketplace. Certainly in the Fin Review, there is calls that government shouldn't wind back the stimulus packages too quickly, or you might see this big boom or this increase in activity in the economy start to slow down quite dramatically. So I have to keep an eye on that, but certainly the market is in a better position than it was 12 months ago, and certainly we're starting to see the market try to push to new highs. As I mentioned before, we're looking for 5.2 for our market this year, and certainly for the US market, see it move higher as well. The downside is probably we'll see a bit of volatility, and certainly there'll be opportunity to buy up or pick up some more shares along the way. Now, in economic news, the Dow Jones was up 0.3%, so not a lot of movement there. Same with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. The FTSE was flat as well, closed at 5,527, and our market lost 0.5%, closing just under 4,900 at 4,899. But today it'll get back over the 4,900 period and gain back that 0.5% going into the weekend. We're interested to see what the US does over the weekend as well. The market is having a hard time pushing above 4,900. I think the first bit of downward action or a bit of profit taking may come into the market in the coming months. Now, the gold price was steady as well at $1,133 an ounce. The oil price was steady as well, closing just under $83 a barrel. And the Aus dollar lost about 0.5%, closing just under 92 US cents. Still a high price, or good price, for the Australian dollar. For more information, go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.